Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
Ramya.
Good morning, Ramya.
Uh, this is Ramya Pedanidu, and today we'll be presenting our project on comparative analysis of the organizational cultures of the two largest sportswear companies. They are Nike and Adidas. And our group members are Mazhar, Wahid, and Fahad. And in this presentation, we'll examine how these companies operate and their values, workplace environment, and organizational structures. And coming to the outlook of the presentation, can you slide down to outlook of the presentation, Mazhar? Yeah. Coming to the outlook of the presentation, we'll take a closer look at the workplace environment of Nike and Adidas, comparing and contrasting key aspects of their organizational cultures. Specifically, we'll cover the following points: whether they're formal or informal. We'll talk about whether their workplaces are formal or casual and how they affect the way employees work together and how they are organized. We'll explore how each company is structured, how teams are set up, and how employees communicate with each other. And coming to the power and status, we'll look at whether there are big difference in power or status between employees and how that impacts their work and their values. We'll discuss the core values of each company that company focuses on and how those values shape the work environment and also workspaces and collaborations. Finally, we'll discuss about how the physical workspaces at Nike and Adidas help employees work together and to be creative. And the presentation will be continued by Mazhar. You need to unmute Mazhar.
Sorry guys, my bad. So I'll be continuing from here like being formal and informal workplaces. Nike and Adidas have distinct workplace cultures that balance both formal and informal elements. Nike fosters a culture that incorporates both structured professionalism and a relaxed creative atmosphere. Employees are encouraged to be innovative while collaborating in an open and inclusive work environment.
Mother, can you put the
Similarly,
slide?
Adidas, sorry, yeah, is it fine now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Employees are encouraged to be innovative while collaborating in an open and inclusive work environment. Similarly, Adidas, being a global company, integrates both formal and informal cultures. This balance enables the company to maintain structure while embracing flexibility and collaborating across the teams. Next, the organization of the staffs of both companies. Nike's staff is structured into multiple functional departments that work in coordination to achieve the company's goal. Each department has a specific focus, contributing to Nike's overall success. In contrast, Adidas follows a more traditional hierarchical structure where the CEO sits at the top, overseeing all operations. The company leadership then branches down through different levels of management, ensuring that organizational objectives are met effectively. From now, Mr. Fahad will continue from here.
Fahad Matin Khadri Sayed here. Taking for the next slide, can you please slide down?
Yeah, sure.
Evidence of status power differentials. Nike exhibits status and power differentials within its organizational structures. Leadership and executive roles come with more influence, while different tiers within the companies reflects varying levels of authority and responsibility. Similarly, Adidas, like most corporations, operate with hierarchical power structure. Employees in the higher position hold more decision making authorities, and this structure establishes clear power dynamics between different level of employees. Can you please slide down? Coming on the next slide, values that seem to be important to the organization. Nike places strong emphasis on the innovation, sustainability, and diversity. These values guides the company initiatives, product development, and corporate decisions. Nike consistently seeks to push boundaries in sportswear technology while promoting environmental sustainability and inclusivity within its workforce. Adidas, on the other hand, prioritizes sustainability and social responsibility. The company is dedicated to reduce its environmental impact while fostering a socially responsible work culture. Both companies are committed to core values that shape their operations and corporate strategies. Moving to next slide. Can you please slide down? Does the physical environment support teamwork and collaboration? At Nike, the physical environment is strategically designed to enhance teamwork and collaborations. The company headquarters in Beaverton, Oregon, is the largest campus featuring open floor plans, shared workspace, and collaborative areas. This setup fosters a culture while employees can interact freely, brainstorm ideas, and work efficiently as a team. Now, I'll be forwarding to
Uh, Hello guys, Muhammad Abdul Wahid here. I'll be continuing from uh, Adidas. Adidas company adapted two kinds of. Moving to the next slide, can you move to the Adidas company adapts two types of methodology. One is embarrassing the power of design thinking. Adidas integrate design thinking into its operation, encourages employees to approach problem solving creatively. This method enhances collaboration, innovation within the organization. By embracing this approach, Adidas foster an environment where teams can develop new ideas, refine processes, and improve their products through continuous iteration. Adidas company also follows an agile working methodology which is centered around flexibility, collaboration, and efficiency. This methodology also allows employees to adapt quickly to changing market demands while ensuring effective teamwork. Through agile workspace and cross-functional teams, Adidas promotes a dynamic work environment that aligns in a fast-paced industries. Moving to conclude with, Nike and Adidas have distinct organizational culture that define their cooperative identity and operation. Nike maintains a balance between formality and a relaxed collaborating environment, emphasizing innovation, sustainability, and diversity. Adidas, on the other hand, follows a more structured approach with a strong emphasis on performance, sustainability, and social responsibility. Despite these differences, both companies have created work environment team that support teamwork, creativity, and collaboration. Through our analysis, we have seen how their values, structure, and workspace shape their organization culture and contribute to the global success. Moving to the next slide, these are the references which you can go through with, and I would like to thank my teammates who really work hard for and finally we made the project. And thank appreciate for the great efforts. Thank you everybody.
thank you.
Thank you.